Okay, so to get started with reputation, once you've logged into your account and you've landed here on the dashboard, go ahead and click on reputation here on the side left panel. This is then going to open up the reputations tab, and we're going to see a bunch of different data and information here, such as average rating, reviews received, sentiment, review trends, and much, much more. So now the reputation tab revolves around your Google My Business listing for your business. And what we found with Google My Business is that local businesses with a high number of positive reviews tend to get preferred in search listings compared to businesses with no reviews, negative reviews, or even a small number of positive reviews. So the goal here is to increase the number of reviews that you're getting and also increase the quality of those reviews to ensure that you're staying at the top of all search listings in your local area and that you are securing leads and revenue off of your Google account. So to navigate this reputation tab, what we need to do is connect your Google accounts, connect your Facebook accounts, and connect any accounts that you may receive reviews from so that we can begin utilizing this feature. To do so, if you click on the settings tab up here in the top, you can then go to review link, and then inside of here you can connect your Google account, your Facebook account, and you can even set up custom links if you want to set reviews to third-party external platforms. However, once you've done that, let's jump back to overview and let's get an overview of how this works. So we have a bunch of different information here, such as invites goal, reviews received, sentiment of positive and negative, average rating, invite trends, review trends, as well as your latest reviews and your latest review requests. All of this information will start appearing here as you start populating your account and as you start sending out a review link to your clients, prospects, or customers. To manually send review requests, you would click on send review request up here in the top right corner. This will open up a new box allowing you to choose the contact, input their phone number, their email, and then choose either requesting the review via SMS or via email. And then when you click review request, that contact will get either texted or emailed your review link, which they can click, and it will automatically bring them to a page where they can input their review, and that will automatically send that review to your Google My Business page and preview it for the world to see. So closing out of this, we then also have requests and reviews. This is an activity log of all of your requests as well as all of your reviews will populate here. So jumping back to requests, you can actually see who the invite was sent to. You can see the email or phone number it was sent to. You can see who it was sent by, the date it was sent, the status, the retries, as well as the action. This will also tell you if this was an automated review request or if it was a manual review request. And same thing here on reviews. This will show a list of all of your reviews ever since your very first review, showcasing them in terms of ratings, in terms of where they've come from, the source, as well as the start and end date if you need to filter reviews based on those. Both of these tabs also have a send review request button where you can manually go in and request a review from a contact. Closing out of this, you also have widgets. So now widgets are embeddable widgets that we can place on our blog, on our websites, funnels, or anywhere that accepts embeddable code. And we can create these widgets to encourage people to write reviews for us on our Google My Business page. If you wanted to create a widget, you would click create new. And then in here, you have the option to change where the review source comes from. You can change the widget type, such as list, grid, masonry, carousel, and legacy, as well as the max number of reviews to be displayed, as well as the minimum ratings to display. And then this will create a carousel or a grid or a list of all of your reviews on your Google My Business listing. And then it will have a write a review call to action here to prompt anybody who sees this widget to write their own review. So closing out of this, we also have listings. And listings is essentially an optional extra where you can activate a Yext listing for an additional cost. So Yext is a third-party platform that we've integrated into the platform to essentially make review requests and reputation management a little bit more simple for those of you who want to take it to the next level. Now, Yext is a platform where you can create one reputation account and one account on Yext, and that will distribute that account and that listing across 95 plus different platforms, allowing you to just manage one account and distribute that account across 95 plus platforms all at once. This is an optional extra for those who want to take it the extra mile. However, you can also scan your business for free and do a free scan listing here if you wish to. And then finally, moving into settings, this is where we can essentially manage all the settings on the back end of our reputation management. So I showed you previously the review link. This is where you can connect your Google account, Facebook account, or set up a custom third-party review link. You can also jump back to Reviews AI. And this is where you can set up auto responses if you'd like to do so. So you can do things like an automatic response where an AI bot will respond to reviews, thanking them for their review and inviting them to come back again soon. You can set up suggestive replies where the review or the AI bot will actually give you a suggestive reply of how you can reply to your reviews, or you can just turn it off and disable this altogether. You can also have SMS review requests here. So you can customize your review request with an image, you can fill in some text, and then you can set up things like checking in and follow-ups as well. You can do the same thing here for email review requests. You can customize the email that clients and customers will receive once you've already requested a review from them. Finally, you can also have reviews QR codes. So these are QR codes that can be scannable for customers and they can leave a review right from their phone. So as you can see, there's a ton of features here within the reputation section. And this section is all around helping you increase the volume of reviews, but also the quality of those reviews as well, to help you appear at the top of all local searches and SEO rankings. The higher you can appear on SEO and search listings, the more opportunity you will get to secure leads and to secure revenue coming from those sources. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions whatsoever on the review tab, please feel free to reach out to a member of our team and we'll be more than happy to help you.